Hi friends, this is Varsha Subbarao along with Banu welcomes you to Green Coach. Green Coach offers online tutorial for various horticulture subjects. Today we are discussing about water management. In water management subject, our topic is movement of water. Today we are discussing about movement of water. Let's start our topic. Movement of water. The movement of water occurs in three types in plants. The movement of water occurs in three types in plants. They are saturated flow, unsaturated flow, and vapor movement. They are saturated flow, unsaturated flow, and vapor movement. Saturated flow, unsaturated flow, vapor movement. What do you mean by saturated flow? Let's discuss in detail. In saturated flow, movement of water occurs in both micropores and macropores. Here the movement of water occurs in both micropores and macropores. Movement occurs from high moisture potential to low moisture potential. Movement occurs from high moisture potential to low moisture potential. Here the driving force is gravitational pull. The driving force is gravitational pull. Movement of water occurs in downward direction. Movement of water occurs in downward direction. It is seen in sandy soils. It is seen in sandy soils. In sandy soils, high saturated flow can be seen because of its high particle size and high pore size. In sandy soils, maximum saturated flow can be seen. It is due to high pore size and high particle size. I will repeat once again the saturated flow. It occurs in both micro and macro pores. It occurs from high moisture potential to low moisture potential. The driving force for saturated flow is gravitational pull. It occurs in downward direction. It is seen in sandy soils. In sandy soils, maximum saturated flow is seen because of its high particle size and large spore space. Next, we will see about the unsaturated flow. In unsaturated flow, the macropores are empty. Macropores are empty. Movement occurs through micropores. Movement of water occurs only through micropores. Here the driving force is metric potential. Here the driving force is metric potential. Movement of water occurs laterally. Movement of water occurs laterally. It is suitable for crop production. It is seen in clay soils because of its high hydraulic conductivity. It is seen in clay soils because of its high hydraulic conductivity. Once again, we will discuss in detail about the unsaturated flow. It is seen in only clay soils. Actually, it is seen maximum in clay soils. Here, the macropores are empty. The movement occurs only through micropores. The driving force is metric potential. The movement of water is in lateral direction. It is suitable for crop production, seen maximum in clay soils because of its high hydraulic conductivity. Let's discuss in brief about the vapor movement. In vapor movement, the movement of water occurs in vapor form. In vapor movement, the movement of water occurs in vapor form. It occurs from high vapor area to low vapor area. It occurs from high vapor area to low vapor area. Here the vapor pressure can be termed as Vp. It occurs from high vapor pressure area to low vapor pressure area. High vapor pressure area to low vapor pressure area. It is influenced by temperature. Obviously, if temperature is high, vapor rate is also high. It is influenced by temperature. Helps the plant to survive during the drought conditions. It helps the plant to survive during the drought conditions. In vapor movement, the movement of water occurs in the form of vapor. It occurs from high vapor pressure area to low vapor pressure area. It helps the plant to survive under the drought condition. It is influenced by temperature. We will see the differences between the saturated flow and unsaturated flow in detail. Differences between the saturated flow and unsaturated flow. Saturated flow, unsaturated flow. Movement occurs through micropores and macropores in saturated flow, whereas occurs only through micropores in unsaturated flow. Movement of water occurs through micro and macropores in saturated flow, whereas it occurs only through micropores in unsaturated flow. Driving force is gravitational pull. Driving force is metric potential. Driving force is gravitational pull. Driving force is metric potential. Movement of water occurs downward in direction. Movement of water occurs in lateral direction. Movement of water occurs in downward direction. Movement of water occurs in lateral direction. It is seen maximum in sandy soils. Seen maximum in clay soils. Seen maximum in sandy soils. Seen maximum in clay soils. Rate of flow. In saturated flow, it occurs in sandy soils greater than loamy soils greater than clay soils. Sandy soils greater than loamy soils greater than clay soils. Whereas for unsaturated flow, clay soils greater than loamy soils greater than sandy soils. Clay soils greater than loamy soils greater than sandy soils. Let's see the differences once again. Differences between saturated and unsaturated flow. Saturated flow, unsaturated flow. Movement of water occurs through micro and macropores, only through micropores. Driving force is gravitational pull, driving force is metric potential. Movement occurs in downward in direction, movement occurs in lateral in direction. Maximum seen in sandy soils, maximum seen in clay soils. Rate of flow, sandy soils greater than, loamy soils greater than, clay soils. For unsaturated flow, clay soils greater than, loamy soils greater than sandy soils. That's all for now, friends. Let's discuss in brief. In our green coach class, today we learned about the movement of water. The movement of water occurs in three types in plants, or in three ways. There are saturated flow, unsaturated flow and vapor movement. We saw in detail what is saturated flow. Occurs both in micro and macropores, from high moisture potential to low moisture potential. Driving force is gravitational pull. Occurs in downward direction, seen in sandy soils. It is because of more particles as in more pore size of sandy soils. Unsaturated flow occurs only through micropores because the macropores are empty. Movement occurs from high groundwater potential to low groundwater potential. Driving force is metric potential, suitable for crop protection. Seen in clay soils because of its high hydraulic conductivity. We saw what is vapor movement. The movement of water occurs in vapor form, influenced by temperature. Helps the plant to survive during the drought conditions. It occurs from high vapor pressure area to low vapor pressure area. We also saw the differences between the saturated flow and unsaturated flow in detail. Movement through micro and macropores, only through micropores. Driving force is gravitational pull, driving force is metric potential. Movement occurs in downward direction, movement occurs in lateral direction. Maximum seen in sandy soils, maximum seen in clay soils. Rate of flow is sandy soils greater than, loamy soils greater than clay soils. Rate of flow is clay soils greater than, loamy soils greater than sandy soils. Thanks for watching Green Coach videos. Please like and subscribe our channel for further video updates. We will update you soon with another video. Please give your valuable suggestions in the comment section. Thank you guys. This is Varsha Subbarao along with Banu signing off for today. Thanks for watching Green Coach videos. Please subscribe and share maximum.